Hello friends, I am Dr. Nazim Ahmed, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Islamic College Waniambadi. My topic is pericyclic reaction. In this video, I am going to discuss about some of the net set questions which were previously asked in the various competition examinations. Pericyclic reactions, in the first video itself I discussed about the fundamentals and principles of pericyclic reactions and its classification. Based on that, here are some of the questions we are going to discuss. As you know, pericyclic reactions are defined as reactions that occur by a concerted cyclic shift of electrons. This definition states two key points that characterize a pericyclic reaction. First point is that reaction is concerted. In concerted reaction, reactant bonds are broken and products bonds are formed at the same time with the transition state. Second key point in pericyclic reaction involved a cyclic shift of electrons. The word pericyclic means around the circle. Pericyclic word comes from cyclic shift of electrons. Pericyclic reactions that are characterized by a cyclic transition state involving the pi bonds. Some common examples of pericyclic reactions as we discussed in the above video, that is Diels-Alder reaction, ring closure opening, and Ene reactions. The energy of activation of pericyclic reaction is supplied by the heat, thermal induction, or by UV light, that is photoinduction. Pericyclic reactions are stereospecific, and it is not uncommon that the two modes of inductions yield products of opposite stereochemistry. Pericyclic reactions can be classified in four categories. Number one, electrocyclic reactions. Number two, cycloaddition reactions. Number three, sigmatropic rearrangements. And fourth one is group transfer reaction. Based on that, some of the questions. Question number one. Thermolysis of allyl phenol ether generates. The four options are given. Option A, ortho-allyl phenol. B, ortho and para-allyl phenols. C, ortho, meta and para-allyl phenols. D, meta-allyl phenols only. Thermolysis of allyl phenyl ether, that is one, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Now the shifting takes place. So therefore, the answer for this question is A. A is the answer. Claisen rearrangement is the first sigmatropic rearrangement which was discovered. The original sigmatropic rearrangement occurs when allyl phenol ether is heated without solvent. The product of the rearrangement is ortho-allyl phenol. so that the product is like that. Answer is orthoallyl phenol. Now come to the question number 2. The reaction given below is an example of 1,3 sigma tropic hydrogen shift, B 1,3 sigma tropic methyl shift, C 1,5 sigma tropic hydrogen shift, and D is the 1,5 sigma tropic methyl shift. The fourth one is 1,5 sigma tropic. Spelling mistake is there, sorry. Now it is an example of sigma tropic hydrogen shift. Let us discuss. One, two, three, 4, 5. Transfer here. This is transfer here. So the product is so it comes under 1,5 sigma tropic hydrogen shift. C is the right answer. Question number 3. The concerted photochemical reaction between two olefins leading to a cyclobutane ring is pi2s cycloaddition. Option B, pi2s plus pi2s cycloaddition. Option C, pi2s plus 2πs cycloaddition. Option D, pi2s plus sigma 2a cycloaddition. The concerted photochemical reaction between two olefin leading to a cyclobutane ring is, the answer is pi2s plus pi2s cycloaddition. The second answer is B1. Cycloaddition reaction is a reaction in which two unsaturated molecules undergo an addition reaction to yield a cyclic product. Formation of cyclic product take place at the expense of 1 pi bond in each of the reacting partner and again of 2 sigma bonds at the end of the both components having pi bonds. Thus, in the reaction, there is loss of 2 pi bonds of the reactants and gain of 2 sigma bonds in the product. So, therefore, the answer is pi2s plus pi2s cycloaddition. B is the right answer. Now, question number 4. In the following concerted reaction, the product is formed by the options were given 6 pi dis rotator electrocyclization, 4 pi dis rotatory electrocyclization, Sixth one, the third one is 6 pi con rotatory electrocyclization, and the fourth one is 4 pi con rotatory electrocyclization. So first we think of the system and whether thermally and also stereochemistry. If it is 4n pi, the thermal condition is con rotatory, as you know. Stereochemistry is the trans product, whereas in the case of system, it is, if it is 4n plus 2 pi, that time the thermal condition is to be this rotatory, and the stereochemistry is the cis product. So stereochemistry, thermally allowed electrocyclic ring if the reactants are in same plane. So the answer is A answer, 6 pi dis rotator electrocyclization. That is, this is the, it comes under 6 pi dis rotatory. Question number 5. Among the following dienes, the one that undergoes a degenerate co-prearrangement the most important sigmatropic rearrangements are the 3,3 process involving carbon-carbon bonds. The thermal rearrangement of 1,5 dienes by 3,3 sigmatrope is called co-prearrangement. Whether the reaction proceeds in thermally favored direction. So the answer is, so what the question is, the following dienes, the one that undergoes a degenerate co-prearrangement. So it leads to if we take this one under co-prearrangement thermal condition 3,3, so it gives nitrogen. So A is the answer. The question number 6. The following reaction proceeds through the options are 1,3 sigmatropic rearrangement, 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement, 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement, and the fourth one is 3,5 sigmatropic rearrangement. The reaction proceeds through 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangements. The answer is C is the answer. So if it undergoes 3,3 So it will be, if I draw, one, two, three, 1, 2, 3. So 3 comma 3 sigmatropic rearrangement. Answer is the C is the answer. Next one is the 7th question. The number of nodes present in the highest occupied molecular orbital of 1, 3, 5 hexatriene on its ground state is option A 1, option B 2, option 3 4, option D is option C is 3, option D is 4. The number of nodes present in the highest occupied molecular orbital is, if we draw the energy level diagrams for psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 in the bonding molecular orbital, in the anti-bonding molecular orbital psi 4, psi 5, psi 6, based on the HOMO-LUMO concept, thermally allowed in the ground state and in the excited state photochemically allowed, among which if we fix the mirror image, so that gives mirror plane symmetry, whereas on the other case it gives C2 axis of symmetry. So the energy versus the bonding molecular orbitals psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 and psi 4, psi 5, psi 6, it gives the answer is 2. B is the answer after drawing the energy level diagrams. Psi 1, psi 2, psi 3. Similarly, so finally it gives 2 is the answer. Question number 8. In a Diels-Alder reaction, the most reactive diene among the following is. Diels-Alder reaction is not possible in 4E 1, 4 hexadiene, as they are not conjugated diene. Among C and D, C will react faster rate. In the case of conjugated diene, are more reactive towards Diels-Alder reaction. So the answer is C. C is the answer. So two, 4 hexadiene. Next question number 9. Pericyclic reactions involved in one of the steps of the following reaction sequence is. Once again it is a sigmatropic shift, if I put 2 comma 3, that gives so the answer is D. It is a 2 comma 3 sigmatropic shift. The last one is the reaction of 1-bromo 2-fluorobenzene with furan in the presence of 1 equivalent of magnesium gives. The reaction of 1-bromo 2-fluorobenzene with furan in the presence of 1 equivalent of magnesium gives. If it undergoes like this, so benzoin plus furan plus furan that leads to the answer is C. Now here the answers are given. Thank you.